Mr. Beast, the only person on the global billionaires list who never inherited a single penny. A self-made billionaire and a YouTuber. YouTube can make you wealthy, but it all starts with one decision: choosing the right niche. Let's be honest, you've probably tried before. Maybe you opened a channel, uploaded a video or two, got 12 views, 11 of which were you, and quietly walked away. The world told you to work hard, show your face, and become an influencer. But here's the truth. In 2026, the people making real money aren't the ones performing for the camera. They're the ones making the algorithm work for them, using AI. Right now, you're standing at a crossroads. You can stay exactly where you are, frozen by the fear of being judged, or you can use these three niches to build a real income without anyone ever knowing your name. The choice is yours. Will you stay a spectator, or will you take control of the system? Here are the three hidden gold mines of 2026. Number 1, the simplicity hypnosis. Everyone is chasing Hollywood-level production. Big mistake. Let me tell you about a channel called Kurzgesagt. No celebrities, no camera, just animated shapes explaining complex ideas. The economy, black holes, human psychology, in language a child could understand. Over 25 million subscribers. Why? Because the moment a viewer thinks, I actually get this, the brain releases dopamine, and that feeling is addictive. Here's the counterintuitive part. Simpler visuals consistently outperform polished ones. A channel that explained the economy using monkeys and bananas hit 7 million views in 5 months. Not despite its simplicity, but because of it. The human brain in 2026 is exhausted. It doesn't want more noise, it wants clarity. You find the concept, AI handles the visuals, you keep the profit. Number 2, shadow documentaries. Here's a question nobody thinks to ask. Why do people stay up until 3 in the morning watching conspiracy videos they don't even fully believe? Because what if is the most powerful phrase in the human brain. Why wouldn't you survive in the Middle Ages? What if AI took over the world tomorrow? These aren't academic questions. They're dopamine traps, and YouTube's algorithm absolutely loves them. You don't need a film degree. You don't need to be an expert. You get AI to write a gripping script, add a powerful voiceover, pair it with atmospheric visuals, and what you end up with is a digital asset that generates passive income while you sleep. The mysteries of history have been working for storytellers for centuries. Now they can work for you. Number 3, speed and adrenaline. For anyone who says, I don't have the time, this is your entry point. Shorts, 30 seconds. A footballer's secret tactic, a celebrity scandal, a historical fact that sounds made up but isn't. Arrows, effects, zero breathing room. You don't give the viewer a single frame to look away. And here's what separates this niche from the other two. You don't need a long-term content strategy. Trends reset every single morning. Every day is a new lottery ticket. And unlike an actual lottery, skill genuinely improves your odds here. No camera needed, no expensive setup, just a laptop, CapCut, 11 labs for voiceover, and 30 minutes of your time. Now, some of you are going to say, if it's really this straightforward, why isn't everyone doing it? They are. But watching and doing are two completely different things. Almost everyone who sees this video will nod along, close the tab, and go straight back to scrolling. That's not a criticism. It's just how human psychology works. Doing nothing feels comfortable. Starting doesn't. But here's what you need to know. The people who follow this channel aren't just getting motivation. They're learning the real numbers behind real channels. Which AI tools actually work and which ones are overhyped. Which trends are about to die and which ones haven't exploded yet. And the latest methods for making money online. Finding everything you get here on your own would take hours of research. Most people never find it at all. So just by watching this video, you're already one step ahead. By the end of 2026, you'll either be saying, I wish I had started, or I'm so glad I watched that video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if this video hits record likes, I'll be putting together a full step-by-step guide on building a channel from scratch using AI tools.